When you have a studio like mine, you have quite a bit of stuff. And while I love the freedom to create and make a mess, I do like for all of my art supplies and materials to be stored and organized and to have a certain look to them. I guess you could say I appreciate a bit of order in the midst of all the chaos. One of the things I like to use to store some of my supplies is tins, all types of tins, Altoid tins, what have you. And I've shared before in a video how I alter tins. But today I'm going to share with you how I like to use tea tins. I have quite a bit of tea tins. I like to drink tea, and I love the durability of them, but I'd like to make them look a little more cohesive. So here is a very simple trick. All you need is a drop cloth and a can of this Rust-Oleum copper hammered spray paint. I'll link it below. And just go to town. You do need to allow for the paint to dry for several hours. It can be quite tacky if you don't allow it to dry properly. And then you can just load up your materials and place it on your shelf. And I use them also in my garden shed for various things. Thanks for watching.